Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I come back with another video. In this video, you will get paid Udemy courses for free with certification. So before getting started, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. In previous video, I given 40 plus paid Udemy courses for free with certification. If you haven't watched that video, then I will recommend you to watch it. The link will be given in the description. So let's get started. The first course is Learn Flutter and Dart to create Android and iOS app. In this course, you will learn Flutter and Dart from basic step by step, understand all the fundamental concepts of Flutter development, master Dart and Flutter framework, build Android and iOS app using one of the programming language, become a competent, fully fledged Flutter developer, build multi-screen app using various widgets in Flutter. These courses will turn on-demand video, full lifetime access, Excel warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Learn C# and make a video game with Unity 2020. In this course, you will understand the fundamentals of programming such as creation of variable, decision, operators, iteration, collection, classes, and objects, understand how a computer works from the stage and aspect to of which it consists and its life cycle, create and understand C# script for Unity, interact with the video game screen through the keyboard, moving the characters, making him jump, program videos game for Unity 5, including aspects such as game design, HUD, game dynamics, and view. This course in 12.5 on-demand video, one article, 56 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Marketing, Analysis, Pricing, Strategy, and Price Analytics. In this course, you will learn the practical concept of how to get a revenue profit optimization price point in the case of bundling, quantity, discount, two part, traffic, price skimming, and revenue. Learn how to fit the two most frequent demand used curve to a particular marketing institution. Learn why the cable companies bundle landline, cell phone service, TV service, and internet service. Learn why companies give quantity discount and how to decide the discount the quantity. Learn why your golf club charge membership fee along with the per round fee. Learn why do price of high tech products usually drop over time. Learn why airline overbook their airfare. Solid understanding basic marketing and pricing concept. Become proficient in using powerful tools such as Excel Solver, Excel Goal Seeker, and trading to solve pricing optimization problem to achieve maximum. These courses in 5.5 on-demand video, 3 articles, 32 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel warranty, assigned and certification completion. The next course is Python course for basic to advanced. In this course, you will learn Python from scratch, understand the basics of Python language, use Spider to write a Python program, advantage of Spider over any other. Ideally, learn all the basics such as variable, function, conditional, loop, text processing, file processing, error handling, and more. These courses 7.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access, Excel warranty, and certification completion. The next course is cross-platform native iOS and Android in Xamarin, C#, and Firebase. In this course, we will learn Xamarin ideally, Visual Studio, Xamarin Framework, cross-platform mobile development, backend database and authentication with Google Firebase, hard-code outlet and UI element programming, comparison of various iOS and Android features. This course is 8.5 on-demand video, 50 downloadable, full lifetime access, Excel warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Python for machine learning with NumPy, Panda, and Matplotlib. In this course, you will learn the fundamentals of Python for effectively used in data science, use Python for data science and machine learning, refresh Python basic with crash course, make use of NumPy and Panda to implement numerical algorithm, data manipulation, learn to use NumPy for numerical data, array and matrix manipulation library, learn to use NumPy for data manipulation, NumPy function, understanding and code using the NumPy stack, learn to use Panda for data analytics. 3. most important data structure of Panda series data frame pen. Data visualization visualize data using Matplotlib and CB. These courses in 7 on-demand video, 7 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Practical Java Basic course with real life example. In this course, you will learn Java from the very basic language features that are used at the biggest tech company, useful programming tips and tricks that can be used to any other programming language. These courses for our on-demand video to the article, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next was Google Data Studio A to Z for data visualization and dashboard. In this course, you will learn how to use Google Data Studio to turn your data into fully customizable, informative, all the charts type that one can draw in Google Data Studio, sharing and collaborating on Data Studio report, branding a report, adding logo and setting them, embedding external content into your report, embedding your Google Data Studio report on your website, adding data range and filter control to your dashboard. This course is 4 hours on video, 2 article, 1 downloadable resource, full lifetime access, Excel warranty, and certification completion. The next course is complete iOS Bootcamp, Swift, and Objective-C. In this course, you will make a real-life iOS application using advanced and relevant technology. Be prepared to take on any iOS development challenge on their own. Create various iOS applications with advanced user interface, graphic, and animation, as well as proper backend and data consistency. Be prepared for iOS jobs and technical interview preparation. Develop both 2D and 3D games. Write complex Swift code. Write a complex Objective-C code. Know how to convert Swift and Objective-C code into each other. Be familiar with load of external library. Have hundreds of tiny apps that you can display to develop a large-scale application. Develop market-ready apps for the industry. Use Google technology such as Firebase and Google Maps. Learn how to use Mac command line. Know how to use CocoaPads to search and implement a variety library and framework. Create your own iOS framework. This course is 35.5 on-demand video, 11 article, 146 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is learn hacking using social media. In this course, you will create undetectable backdoor for Windows, create evil files that look and function like normal files, create a fake login page and steal your login information. How to exploit browser and BEFF framework, gain full control over the target machine using evil files, perform the attack outside the local network, how to create a phishing email, learn different techniques to protect yourself. This course is 1 on-demand video, 1 downloadable series, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. This is the part 1 of the Today Udemy course. The part 2 will coming soon. Watch the full video and apply the course as soon as possible before coupon expire. Share this video with friends and family members so that they can also get the benefit of the course. Thank you.